Okay, guys, listen, the high of the day is the high of the day. Whether it's Asian session, whether it's whatever, let me greet you all. How are you guys doing? I trust you're blessed. I trust you're well. I trust everything is going well with you guys. This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, man. You see, I'm on some trades, just a couple of trades here. The USD JPY. As you can see, I'm on some profit. That was at 25,000, so I'm now at 26,000. Now that's profit, man. That's profit right there, and it's in the morning, 4:51 a.m. South African time, and that's what it's all about, man. We're all about consistency. Remember, you saw me building this account from 102,000 euros. I mean, from 50,000 euros rather, and you saw me take it to 102. Right now I'm taking it to 128, as you can see now. Just round off, let's just round off. I was doing the math in a moment. You see, 25,000, that's about 415,000 in South African rands, and that's what it's all about, man. We're all about consistency. With consistency you can purchase anything. Let me guys show you, give you a tip, right? During the Asian session, during the Asian times, the market doesn't move much. So for those guys of you who are slow and you want to trade during the Asian times, and you want to trade a slow market, the Asian is your time. The high can be created, but there has to be certain things that you must look for when you want to look at it in the Asian times. Okay, and that's what it's all about. I mean, I'm aggressive because the market is slow. So during Asian, I can be really aggressive because I know the market is slow. I know that I'm gonna secure my profit in any case. But it is what it is, family. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.